Hi guys, welcome to 100 days of cleaning garbage cans until I make enough money. Right now we're just cleaning out this trash bin to make space for when we're about to start washing. Got on gloves, got the chemicals. Goodness, dead turtle. Alright, we got everything all cleared out. I'm about to turn the water on, connect it to the pressure washer, and get things started. Okay, we have managed to get all of the garbage out of the bins. We got the power washer plugged up. We're gonna get some solution in here, some bleach, and some other degreasing chemicals and materials, and we're gonna get all this together and show you the results. Okay, we now have the bleach inside of a spray bottle, ready to break down all of that extra grime. And we also have the degreaser inside of a plastic bowl that we'll use to spray the whole thing down. Let the degreaser in the solution do its job, breaking all that nasty chemicals and bacteria down, and then we're gonna spray it through. Pause. Yeah, hey, keep my line straight. Yeah, the camera's still recording? Okay, good. Now that we have completely covered the entire thing in solution and bleach, we're now gonna wait 1 to 2 minutes, let it all just break all that down, and then we're gonna move on and spray it through and get the final clean and the result. Alright, we got the whole thing scrubbed down, we got the whole thing soaked out. Now it's ready for the final rinse, and let's see the results. Alright, as you can see, we have fully cleaned out the whole thing. We gotten all the stains out. We have completely washed this thing to its fullest potential, from the lid all the way down. And so in short, $25 to start, $30 for 2 cans, and $10 for any additional can. Call us now. Thank you.